In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix an error which is Firewall is blocking the internet on Google Chrome in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to bring up the control panel. So at the button search bar, type for control panel. Once you've typed that, the best match would appear. All you need to do is you need to click on the open option to continue. And in a while, you would be able to open up or show up this kind of window, which is the control panel, which contains the computer settings. So here you need to change the view into large icons. So navigate at the upper right side of that. You can see their view by and go with large icons. Once done, you would be able to see a window like this. All you need to do is you need to locate for Windows Defender Firewall, which is in my case, it is being placed at the fourth column next to Sync Center. So click on it, and eventually you need to navigate to the left pane where you can see this kind of window. All you need to do is you need to click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it and kindly wait until you can see this kind of window. From here, you need to scroll down and locate with Google Chrome. So here, the reason why you face an error is that you have unchecked this, meaning you have blocked it from accessing for internet. So it is very important to check that or to allow the Google Chrome here to communicate through Windows Defender Firewall, which is the very important thing. Okay, so check it. Then here at aligning the private, check it as well, and under the public, check it as well. Once done, close the window and check if your problem has been fixed. So navigate at the button search bar here, type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear. Once it's here, click on open to continue and try to check if the error still persists. I'm sure it will be fixed this time. Okay. So another step that you can do is that you need to navigate to the upper right side of that. You can see there are three dots. Click on it. And from here, you need to scroll down and click on settings, which has this gear icon. So eventually you would be redirected to the Chrome settings. All you need to do is you need to navigate to the left pane and select with reset settings. So from here, you need to select for restore settings to their original defaults. So another way to solve the problem is that to reset the settings. So this will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, and as well as disable extensions and delete cookies and other temporary site data. But please be assured that bookmarks, history, and saved passwords won't be affected. So click on reset settings. Once done, try to check if your Chrome has been fixed. So relaunch it, and once you have relaunched it, try to check if the error still persists. I'm sure it will be fixed. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.